The Scrum Master is a combination of coach, referee, fixer, mediator, facilitator, and scorekeeper. They are responsible for the team's productivity, which is enhanced by the Scrum values, principles, and empirical process. Therefore, the Scrum Master relies heavily on these pillars of the Scrum framework, while carrying out their responsibilities to ensure the team's success. And the Scrum Master has many responsibilities. The Scrum Master's most important task is removing impediments which are blocking the team's progress. They also help the team stay focused on the tasks in the sprint. They ensure quality is maintained by ensuring best practices, like unit test, are included in the user story's definition of done tasks and completed before each user story is accepted as done. The Scrum Master is a liaison between the team and the business stakeholders, like the managers and marketing. The Scrum Master is responsible for keeping the business stakeholders informed on the team's progress, while also providing a buffer to shield the team from distractions or requests for outside work. The business stakeholders are also a key resource the Scrum Master can use to help remove impediments blocking the team's progress. The Scrum Master runs the daily Scrum meetings, which is time-boxed and held at the same time and place each day. During the daily Scrum, the Scrum Master asks each team member 3 questions. What did you do yesterday? What will you do today? And are there any impediments in your way? The Scrum Master may be the one using this information to update the burn down chart and the sprint backlog so that the team's progress is always visible. The Scrum Master is also responsible for removing the impediments the team reports by working with other teams or managers, acquiring resources, or finding the answer to questions. The Scrum Master also organizes and facilitates the established Scrum meetings, including the sprint planning, sprint review, sprint retrospective, and backlog grooming meetings. In these meetings, the Scrum Master ensures the Scrum process is followed, while empowering the team to reach consensus and work together, making commitments as a team. The Scrum Master also works with the product owner outside these meetings to ensure the product backlog is always ready for the next sprint planning meeting. The Scrum Master is also a change agent for the Scrum process, pushing its benefits throughout the organization and ensuring the process is followed within the team. They ensure implementation of the Scrum framework through teaching and coaching, and when necessary, through enforcing the Scrum rules. The Scrum Master does all this with no direct authority. They must earn respect and authority through their knowledge of the Scrum principles and practices. The authority given to the Scrum Master is granted by the team. The Scrum Master is not a manager or project leader. They do not have any people management responsibilities and are not held accountable for the outcome of the sprint or the project. The Scrum Master has process-related responsibilities, with authority on how to implement the Scrum process and as the enforcer of rules. The Scrum Master role is often called a servant leader. They are a servant to the team, empowering them, helping them reach consensus, and removing impediments so they can be successful. Yet they have no authority over how the team does their work. The Scrum Master does not run the sprint. As the team as a whole is responsible for the outcome of the sprint, the team has complete authority on how the sprint is run. Also, the Scrum Master has no ability to commit the team to work they can complete within delivery dates, though they can help the team understand how user stories are broken down into tasks with estimates, and they can ensure the team does not overcommit to the work they can achieve in the sprint planning meeting. They also can urge the team to take on more work when they have fallen into complacency. The Scrum Master cannot make decisions for the team. This includes technical decisions and organizational ones, like who will work which task. However, the Scrum Master can mediate discussion to ensure all team members are heard and respected. In the end, the Scrum Master is the keeper of the Scrum process. They ensure the team, product owner, and stakeholders all follow the process. They protect the team from anyone that tries to go around the process to keep the team focused. and they use the process to track progress, ensuring the sprint backlog and sprint burndown chart are kept up to date, so they reflect the true progress of the team.